For one of your tasks in the assignment, you need to create a detailed drawing showing the development of your PCB cover. To do that, it's very simple, and I'll just quickly show you how to do it on this video. So if you were to go into Teams and you click on the PCB cover, here you'll see there's a detailed template for, I think the rest of it says students, but it's just too big, it doesn't load up. So if you download that, and you're on the remote desktop side of your computer, you'll end up getting this template. So from there, what you'll need to do is, with the template, you simply insert your drawing. So I'll do that now. I'll just do the exact same thing that I've done here right next to it. So you've opened up this template. You're going to change the part name so that it relates to what you're doing. Put your name in this section here. I think it might say detailed drawing. Double click on that and change it to your name. You're going to leave the third angle projection symbol there because that's what we're doing. But to get this in here, all you need to do is go to place views and click on base. Now, if you're lucky enough, the computer may recognize your most recent drawing. If not, you're going to need to click on here and you'll be able to click on it and you'll be able to find it. So it has already picked up the drawing that I'm currently using, which is great. And what I'm doing now is I'm using this function here to just spin the job around to suit the best way to display it. So currently it's saying it's doing it at half scale, and I've just used these little functions here to line that up for me. I'm going to click OK, and if I click on that corner there, I'll be able to move it out. Now you only need to do one of these, but I'll just show you how to do these dimensions. So if you're now going to annotate and click on dimension, we're going to start off with our big dimensions that we need. Okay, Control Z, that didn't quite work. So left click, and then pull up, and I can place my large dimension there. Left click, pull up, pull to the right, sorry. That will place that one there. Now, we don't want to over dimension our drawing. General rule of thumb is that you need enough dimensions so that anyone can pick this drawing up and manufacture the part. So we don't want to overdo it. And so a good example of that would be if I was to put in, I need this 11 mil dimension here, but the rest of these are all the same. They're all 11 mil. I don't need to put 11 mil in between each one. If there's no dimension there, it's assumed that this is the dimension between them all. So if it's something that repeats itself and there's no dimension there, it's just assumed that they are the same. The only time you'd need to dimension it would be if it was different. So I've got my 10 by 10 here. I'm just left clicking to get all this to work. And then when I want to do a diameter by itself, dimension, select that. And I'm having a bit of drama here for some reason. Why is that not working? Because you're trying to record a video, that's probably why. Not sure why it's not working there. It works for me just here. Just going to press escape a couple of times. Dimension. Okay, so I'm getting the diameter symbol come up. You might have to take my word for it. Oh, there we go. Left click. I think my computer might be struggling a little bit. And probably the only thing I'm doing different is making sure I click on that outside line. But even still, I am struggling a little bit. Left click, there it is. Okay, cool. So you can chuck that on there as well. Keep the dimensions off your drawing. So I've pulled this one to the outside of my drawing, and And there it is there. So pretty simple. I want text underneath, so to get that there, I just copy text I already have, so I make sure that I get the same size. So if I press escape twice, I can select that. I can go Control C, left click under here and go Control V, and then left click and I can place it. I don't need to place a scale there. I would be double clicking on this and changing the text to the name of the part. I'll do it all capitals. And the other information that I'll be putting there is that it's 3mm acrylic and there's only one required. Once you've done that, go to your snipping tool and create a snip of it, because you're going to need that for your assignment. Place it straight into your assignment. So obviously you won't have two side by side, yours will look a little bit different to the example that I've just done, but I hope that helps.